Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification. Today we are installing this beautiful unit, okay, by UNice Hair. I'm gonna quickly unbox her and we're gonna get right into the video. Alright guys, so this is their highlighted 24-inch honey straight wig. This is a 13x4 lace front wig and the density on this unit is 150%. So this is what she is looking like straight out the package. It was very soft, and sis, it was giving me so much life. Now the total construction includes 3 combs in total, 2 on the side, 1 at the nape, and also it does include a set of drawstrings, and it does include a part. Alright guys, so this is the next, well not the, yeah, actually the next day, obviously different clothes, blah. But off camera, I did go ahead and cut off the lace. I did add foundation. I'm going to enter a short clip of how you do that. This is an easier way to, you know, bleaching and tinting your lace without actually doing it. As you guys can see, I'm taking some 𝚘𝚘𝚒𝚘 hairspray and I'm just spraying it on the area I would like for my lace to lay down. I'm going to use my blow dryer in a cool heating setting until it is tacky. Once the lace is tacky, as you guys can see, I begin to pull it down. I did slow these clips down so you guys can get a gist of what I'm doing. So I'm pulling it down and I'm holding it for like 10 seconds. Maybe, I guess 10 seconds till I feel it's secure, and then I'm going to go back in with my blow dryer on a cool heating setting and let it, you know, dry some more. So for the areas that didn't completely lay down flat, I'm just going in and taking some more of my 𝚘𝚘𝚒𝚘 hairspray and I'm just spraying it right on it. And then I'm going to take some more heat after I, you know, remove the excess. Take some more cool heat and, you know, use my rat-tailed comb. And I'm just going to use the teeth of my comb to press the lace down into my forehead. I'm going to continue to do the same process throughout the whole entire unit. Alright guys, so now I'm just taking some scissors just to clean up the lace a little bit. When it comes down too far to my eyebrows, which I don't like, I just trim it up. Just be very careful. You can cut yourself during this process. Next, I'm going ahead and take my silk scarf. I'm just going to wrap it around as tight as possible. This helps the lace melt into your hairline, your forehead. And when you use hot heat, I'm telling you, sis, it's just going to make it stay intact even more. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and take this off, and y'all, I was super hyped, okay? It looked really good. I was shocked because, like, sis, I didn't pluck this unit or anything. This is all UNice is doing, and I love how, look at this hair, y'all. Look at this hair. This hair is so fire. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put some of my bedhead wax stick onto my hair. Like I said, this unit is already laid, but y'all know I just like it to lay even more flatter, so I'm just being a little extra. Before we do that, I'm just gonna go on with some concealer, and we're gonna go ahead and, you know, make that part pop. That when you add that concealer to that part, it makes it look so freaking realistic. Like, I'm not even kidding y'all. So now I'm going in with my hot comb, and we're gonna go ahead and get these roots just as flat and sleek as possible. Alright guys, so this step is optional. I'm going in to create some baby hairs. Like I said, I didn't need to do this at all because it was freaking flawless. But I am. Alright guys, so I'm going to take my scissors again. We're going to go ahead and cut at an angle. I feel like this helps my swoops, you know, get swooped to the gods. Now I'm just going to take my edge brush and I spray foam wrap lotion and 𝚘𝚘𝚒 hairspray. I mixed that little concoction together to create my baby hairs. I left the clip slowed down so you guys can see. I'll be over here struggling. It's not as easy how we make it seem by editing it like that, but it'd be really taking some time to create it. So don't get frustrated. Don't get worried. You're doing fine. Just keep practicing. Alright, so off camera I did rewrap it, put some more heat, and this is the end result. Okay, slay all day, every day, period. So now I'm going to go ahead and detangle her with my paddle brush, and we're just going, y'all, start from the root. I don't know why I be doing that, okay? Just start from the, I'm sorry, do not start from the root. Start from the ends and then work your way up to the roots to detangle. This hair is popping. It is popping. I don't care what nobody said. But now we're going to go ahead and protect her hair. So I'm using my BioSilk Heat Protecting Spray, and I'm going to go ahead and flat iron it. You guys already know what it is to flat iron the hair. So this flat iron, I'm telling you guys, it is a pretty penny, but I'm telling you, you're not going to have to invest in one for a long time. I've had this flat iron, I think about a year or two now. I'm not sure, but y'all, it is so bomb. It has your hair looking silky and soft. So this is the final result, and y'all, look at this hair. I'm just in love. I can't believe it. Y'all know how I am with color, and I was so scared. I feel like I could see my eyebrows a little browner though. But anyway, that was so pretty. Okay, so now I'm just gonna show you guys how it looks curly. Which one did y'all like? I really liked it straight curly. I'm not good with curls, so it just looked a little janky, but it was still cute. Don't come for me. So I'm just kidding. But I'm just cutting layers into it so my curls won't be all one length. I just want it a little bit, you know. But overall, y'all, I really enjoyed working with this unit. I haven't washed it or conditioned it. I just, you know, styled it straight off my head. Tangling was to a minimum as well as shedding. I did receive shedding with this unit. It wasn't hard to work with. Like I said, it did look a little dry when it was out, you know, first coming out the box, but sis, it was really soft and it didn't have a smell or anything like that. So don't really have no cons, y'all. It's just a regular, okay? This unit is bomb. If you guys are interested, don't forget to check it out in the description section along with the products I used. They all will be listed there. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a comment. Let me know what you guys thought. And yeah, until next time, your girl will see you later. Bye, guys.